Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we have got the question x minus 10 whole square plus x minus 9 whole cube plus x minus 8 whole power 4 equal to 2. And we have to find out the value of the x. So this is the question. Now we are rewriting this bracket as x minus 8 minus 2 instead of minus 10 whole square plus x minus 8 minus 1 instead of minus 9 whole power 3 plus x minus 8 whole power 4 equal to 2. So why we are doing like this? Because we want to keep x minus 8 in all three brackets. Let's suppose here a is equal to x minus 8, so a minus 2 whole square instead of this bracket plus a minus 1 whole power 3 plus a power 4 equal to 2. Now applying the formula over here, so a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here we have a square minus 2 into a into b, it means 2, plus b square, it means 2 square, plus, now applying the formula over here, a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube plus a power 4 equal to 2. So this is a square minus 2 into 2, that is 4, 4a plus 4 plus a power 3 minus 3a square plus 3 into a minus 1 plus a power 4 equal to 2. Now starting from the highest power, that is a power 4 plus a power 3 minus 2a square, because minus 3a square plus a square, that is minus 2a square, minus a, because minus 4a plus 3a, that is minus a, so plus 1. Why plus 1? Because if you bring 2 on the left hand side, that will be minus 2, so minus 1 minus 2, that will be minus 3, so plus 4 minus 3, that will be plus 1, so plus 1 equal to 0. Now here we have a power 4 minus 2a square plus 1 plus a power 3 minus a equal to 0. Again, this one can be written as a minus b whole square form. So a square minus 1 whole square instead of this bracket, plus taking a common from this, so a into a square minus 1 equal to 0. Now here you can see that a square minus 1 is symmetrical, so a square minus 1 into a square minus 1 inside the bracket plus a. Now here you can see that we have got the two equations, a square minus 1 equal to 0. So a square will be equal to 1. So taking the square root on both sides, so under root a square equal to under root 1. So a will be equal to plus minus 1. So since we know that a is equal to x minus 8, so x minus 8 equal to plus minus 1. So x will be equal to plus minus 1 plus 8. So the value of x will be 8 plus 1, that will be 9, and 8 minus 1, that will be 7. So we have got the two values of x over here. Now here we have this equation, a square plus a minus 1 equal to 0. So using the quadratic formula that says a equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here in this case, the a is 1, b is 1, and c is minus 1. A equal to minus b, it means minus 1, plus minus under root b square, it means 1 square, minus 4 into a, that is 1, it means the coefficient of a square, that is 1, into c, it means that is the constant 1, so minus 1, divided by 2 into 1. So a will be equal to minus b plus minus under root 1 plus 4, because minus minus, that is plus, so 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4, so divided by 2. So a will be equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2. Now again we know that a is equal to x minus 8, so x minus 8 will be equal to minus 1 plus under root 5 divided by 2. X equal to 8, because minus 8 on the right hand side, that will be plus 8. So 8 minus 1 over 2 plus under root 5 divided by 2. So 8 into 2, that is 16. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 divided by 2 plus under root 5 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 15 plus under root 5 divided by 2. So this is another value of x. So here we have x minus 8 equal to minus 1 minus under root 5 divided by 2. So x will be equal to, bring minus 8 on the right hand side, that will be plus 8 minus 1 over 2 minus under root 5 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 8 into 2, that is 16. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 divided by 2 minus under root 5 divided by 2. So 15 minus under root 5 divided by 2. So this is another value of the x. Now we can say that we have got the four values of the x. X equal to 9, x equal to 7, x equal to 15 plus under root 5 divided by 2, and x equal to 15 minus under root 5 divided by 2. So this is our answer. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.